Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate mousse quickly. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients: high-quality dark chocolate, heavy cream, and fresh eggs. For the best flavor, aim for chocolate with at least 60% cocoa content. Remember to separate your egg yolks and whites carefully. This is crucial for achieving that light, airy texture we all love. Getting these basics right sets you up for success. Next, let's melt our chocolate. Gently heat 170 grams of your chosen dark chocolate over a double boiler until it's smooth and glossy. Once melted, remove it from the heat. Now, whisk 3 egg yolks into the warm chocolate mixture until everything is well combined and smooth. It's important to let this mixture cool down a bit before we add the next components, ensuring a perfect consistency. Now for the magic that creates the mousse's signature lightness. In one bowl, whip 240 milliliters of very cold, heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. In another, separate, clean bowl, whip 3 egg whites until they reach stiff, glossy peaks. These two components are key for aeration. Gently fold the whipped cream into your cooled chocolate and yolk mixture, being careful to maintain its volume. For the final step, carefully fold the stiff egg whites into your chocolate and cream mixture. This step requires a light hand to keep all that wonderful air you've incorporated. Once fully combined, spoon your delicious mousse into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Then, place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. This allows the mousse to set beautifully, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.